Here's the beautiful sunset on Waikiki Beach. Here's my honey. So we got one day left. Here's Halikoa Hotel. There's the Barefoot Bar that we always went to. Had lava flows, it's really good. Down here you see Diamond Head over there, which we climbed yesterday. Yeah, we were singing dun 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 dun. We were climbing it, yeah. Like superheroes. Beautiful sunset. Okay, aloha from Hawaii, December 2009.